Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I make my oven baked barramundi. So for today's recipe, I am using about 1 kilo of barramundi fillets. I'm also using lemon, half brown onion, tomato, and about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. Thinly slice your lemon as well as your brown onion. I simply roughly chop my tomato and garlic. Now we're ready to assemble. So I usually use some extra virgin olive oil. Season it very well with salt and pepper. And for this recipe, it works very well with some paprika. I'm using sweet paprika. You can also use smoked paprika if that's what you have in hand. Just line up your garlic, lemon, as well as your brown onion and your roughly chopped tomatoes, and just drizzle more of the extra virgin olive oil. And that's it, as easy as that. And we pop these to the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And look at that, it is beautiful, it smells amazing, and wait till you taste this fish. It is absolutely beautiful. I actually baked some potatoes as well as some carrots, so I just season them with salt and some dried rosemary and obviously some extra virgin olive oil, and this is what I've got. Of course, you bake it however you like it. I like it this way, about 30 minutes into the oven and then about 5 minutes into the grill so that you have that brown color. So there you have it. So you're gonna have your fish as well as your potatoes and carrots. Okay, and it's time for the taste test. Look at that, just that sweet and tangy smell from the lemon and from the paprika. It smells so beautiful. Sprinkle some roughly chopped parsley. Are you ready? So yum. Just yum. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please click the subscribe button if you haven't done that yet. I'll be really happy to know that you did that. It will help me a lot and others as well to find me in the YouTube community. And please share this video to all your friends and family. Like I said always, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.